Kihoto kia Agnes Wanjiru MUIRITU URIA KURERIKANA ORAGIRWO ni abitha wa BURURI KUMA BURURI-INI wa NGERETHA MIAKA 12 MIHITUKU kiahota kuonekana wari thutha wa mucirithania wa Igoti INENE Alexander Muteti gwathana CIRA uria urigiceirie njuragano ino ukagwetwo tariki 16 mweri wa Ndithemba mwaka uyu.
This court will grant a mention date for 16th of December 2025 so that the court can be updated on the progress in the extradition matter that is being undertaken in the UK.
Itua ria Muteti riukite thutha wa mwena wa THITANGO kuga ati MWERI Robert James PURKISS wa ukuru wa miaka 38 ari moko-ini ma maabitha borithi kuma bururi-ini wa NGERETHA.
Thank you, Ms. Igoti and your office. Follow up on the matter. I think we are in a good space now.
Kuringana na mwena wa THITANGO, igoti ria bururi wa NGERETHA niritanyitwo kwambiriria mehariria ma cira uyu tariki 9 mweri ukite. Igoti niritanyite kuheo mwerekera ni mwena wa THITANGO iguru rigie maumirira ma mehariria ma cira uyu na makinya maria magatacukio megemainie na gukinyia MWERI uyu guku bururi-ini. Ameba a family ya Wanjiru kuhitukira wakiri wao ni matugiritie unyitaniri wa bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa NGERETHA undu uyu kionania kamweneni ga gukinyanira gwa kihoto kiao.
The wrong hand of justice has finally gotten up with the suspect. The wheels of justice are moving properly thanks to the Kenyan government and the cooperation of the UK government regarding this matter and ensuring that justice is done.
We are now positive that finally we will be served justice after waiting for that long.
Wanjiru ari na ukuru wa miaka 21 na nyina wa kana ka mieri 5 riria oragirwo na mwiri wake kuonekana itangini ria mai magiko hakuhi na mukawa umwe mwena wa Nanyuki county-ini ya Laikipia.